here, PV clips. PV clips for swimming with dolphins. Teabag, dolphins are one. Oh, right there. Fucking magical. Are you kidding me? Magical. Majestic animals on earth, and they're everywhere. Oh, let's play with it. Yeah, he just did. I saw that one do a full like spin. Is that why they're bottlenose dolphins? Because he spun like a ball. Oh, where'd they go? Oh yeah. All right, we came out to fish, but now we're swimming into the most majestic of porpoises. still gonna fish, but this is just the best of fishing omens. They're kind of headed out now, yeah. I wonder, they almost seem like they're a little less like playful right now. I don't know, or is it just me? They like, yeah, maybe they like ate or something. Dolphin mingling 101. AURAI. I know. This is full Jurassic Park. What do you think? Should we fish or? Yeah, let it be. I know. Alright, well, we're going to let the dolphins be. We love you. That was such a blessing. And we're going to fish now and try to harvest from the sea. When I grow up, I want to be AURAI. The angler in the family is on again. All right, what do we got? What do we got? All right. Yeah. All right. All right, nice work, honey. We're out here, Pacific Ocean PV. Like and subscribe. Comment on the video. AURAI. The ecosystem is in full effect. What's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in. That was an absolute blast. We didn't catch the absolute wall hanger, but damn, that was fun. And we caught an octopus. Huh, honey?
Yeah, so excited.
How'd you like?
It was awesome. I love octopus. Don't eat them, they're smart.
So we didn't eat any octopus, but we hung with them. And we saw the most magical dolphins ever. That was next level shit. Once in a lifetime experience kind of thing. I think you became part dolphin for a second there. So, alright, we'll see you guys next time. Like, comment, and subscribe. Vlog Yee in the house.